Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. In this video we are going to talk about how to install, uninstall and upgrade a module through the command line. So sometimes there is a need to install or upgrade or uninstall a module through the command line because you don't have the access to the UI. Like if there is any error in some of the module and you cannot even access the Odoo database, then you have the option to open the terminal and execute some command to upgrade the module or install the module or uninstall the module. So first of all, we will start with the installation of the module. Like this is the module project, which is Odoo default module, and we want to install it through the command line. Okay, and you can apply this procedure on your local installation and as well as on the production database. Okay, like so let me stop this. Okay, and we will open the console to execute the command. So this is the database name. So for first of all, you will have to activate the debug mode by adding question mark after web and then debug equal to 1 and then asterisk hash. Okay, and this way you will be able to activate the debug mode, and then this is the technical name of the module and this is the database name. These are the things that you need to keep in mind. Okay, and then we will open the terminal. So here in the terminal we will have to go to the Odoo directory. So let me check it. Our Odoo directory inside project PyCharm projects. So we will move to PyCharm projects. Okay, and then check inside there we have Odoo 13 and 14. So we will go into Odoo 13, and here we have virtual environment. So if your installation is based on Python virtual environment, then you will have to first activate the virtual environment to execute the Python packages that are installed for this virtual environment. So what you need to do here is you need to execute the command source venv. This is the name of the virtual environment, and then bin and then activate. Okay, so you need to just execute this command to activate virtual environments, and you can see a virtual environment activated. And then you will have to go to Odoo directory to execute the command to upgrade the install the module. So let's run ls, and then here we will have to execute the command with Odoo bin. So the command that is needed here is you need to run the command like Odoo bin like this, and then you will have to add the parameter c to add the configuration file. So where our configuration file is inside the config directory. So here we will add config, and then the configuration file name is odoo discussions.conf. Okay, this is the configuration file name where the Python where the directory custom add-ins directory, Odoo default add-ins directory, database username, all things are defined. And then we need to add d means the database name, so it is Odoo discussions, and then we need to add I to install the module, and then we need to add the module name. Okay, project. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, so it will automatically install this module for you on this database. So let's wait so that the module gets installed, and it is you can see it is creating the tables. Like it is first of all it will install the modules that are dependent on this, and so it will take a bit of time, and we will just get back once it is installed. So here you can see that the module has been installed. So let me go to the browser and then let me refresh it so that we can check the status. Okay, and here you can see it has been installed, and then you will be able to see the menu for this project. Okay, now the step is like how you can upgrade the module, so from the command line. So here from the command line you will have to first of all, let me just close this session, and then what we need to do is to execute the command with a u. Okay, you will have to just replace I with u, and then the module name. This command will help you to upgrade the module. Okay, like this one, and then run the and then hit enter to run the command. So this is just simple to upgrade the module. We don't like there is situation. For example, let me show you. So we have this module Open Academy, and for example, let me add a module, a field name, a field here like test, test equal to field start boolean test. Okay, so we have added this field, and if I restart Odoo, so if I restart Odoo, then what will happen? It will throw an error. So let me restart it, and then let me refresh the browser. So we got an internal error message. So we cannot access the database, and we don't have any option to upgrade the module. So what we need to do is to stop the Odoo service, and then from the command line we will use this command -u, and then the module name is Open Academy. So let me copy the module name, which is Open Academy, and then paste it. Okay, and then let me run this command to upgrade this module. So this, what this will does, this will update the module for us, and we will get rid of the error message. So let me restart, refresh the browser, and here you can see we can access the database. So this way you can upgrade the module. And now the next thing is how you can uninstall a module. Like this this process is not straightforward, so you just need to execute another command. So let me just stop Odoo service, and we will just need to stop the service that we have started with the command. So I will explain this in another video, like how you can use this command. So the Odoo service is not running. Okay, and then we need to uninstall a module. So we have this module like project module, and let me just to show you this custom module and show you that this is already installed on the database. And let me go to the apps, Odoo apps, main apps. Okay, and we got another. And let me search for this module. So this is already installed. Okay, and what we want to do is to uninstall it through a command line. So first of all, we will have to run a command Odoo bin. We will have to open the Odoo shell. Okay, and then we need to add our shell, and then the config file is under config, and then Odoo Odoo discussions .conf, and then the database name is Odoo discussions. Okay, so you will have to execute this command to open the Odoo shell, and then we can execute Odoo methods. Okay, so what it does, it will open the console for us, and then we can execute the command. So first of all, we'll have to find the module name self.env, and here we will have to module add the model name module, and then close it, and then search, and then search with the name. So what is the name of the module? It is Open Academy. So we will have to enter the technical name here. Okay, like this, and let me copy the name, which is Open Academy. Okay, like this, and then we need to call the method button immediate uninstall, like this. Okay, and then hit enter. So what it will do is it will automatically remove the module and all the related data of the module. So just like you do it through the command, just you do it through the UI. So let me restart Odoo service. Okay, and then refresh this, and then we will check the module if it is uninstalled or not. Okay, let me search the module. So here you can see it is uninstalled. So this way you can install, update, and uninstall the module. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. So please also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.